Okay, in this video is about the SketchUp building tutorial, but I will show you about how to make a semi-curve building, SketchUp semi-curve building in here. And we can push it to the upper position. We can type around 1 meter, make group, and we can try to make component and select move. Okay, we can create. Okay, we can select move, tap control and place to this position, then we can move it up around 4 meter. Okay, we can move it up again. Okay, approximately just like this. Then we can make unique, offset it inside. We can copy and paste in place and push it down. Triple click, make group. We can erase some unnecessary line of there, and we can just select the glass. We can select the line, select move, tap control, place at this position, then we can type 6/ and enter, and also this one we can type 3/ and enter, and also this one select move, tap control, 6/ and enter. Okay, we can make the curve elements in here. We can use this one, and we can add curve in here, type 64S in here. Okay, then we can push it to the front. Triple click, make group, and then we can push it up again. Okay, we can push it up again just like this, and we can make the another something in here, which we can make component. Select move, control, 6/ and enter, or maybe we can make it smaller. We can make it smaller, and then we can also make it more tight in here. Okay, just like this, and then we can select another materials like wood materials. Okay, then we can add more canopy in here. Okay, so then we can make the curve canopy also in here, and make the curve canopy again in here. Okay, then we can select the another color. We can use this color anyway. Can select move, tap control, place to this position, then we can type 6/ and enter. Can cut and paste in place and erase this one, and make the line again in here. Select a move, place 9/ enter. You can scale first and move to this position. You can cut, paste in place and erase this one. Okay, and then we can also, maybe we can just erase some unnecessary strip in here. Okay, then we can make another things. Okay, I think it's enough, but we can also make the another sloping in here to make it more good, to make it more better than before. Okay, then we can put the car in the appropriate position in here, but I have to move it on this position first. Okay, maybe this is for the parking. This is for the simple parking, and then okay, I think we need the another sorry, we need the another okay, then we can set the shadow like this, or maybe we can make more something in here, just like that. And okay, I think it's enough. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to try the exercise. Don't forget to trying the exercise with your own device. That for the 3D modeling, it's need exercise more. Then you can create the great 3D modeling, and then you can get a lot of things from it. And don't forget to join about this channel membership, so you can get the several perks on this channel, on the channel membership. You just click join, and it has a several option for all of you. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you. Anyway, the rooftop is actually has another building function in here. This is a building function, and this is for the side entrance in here. Anyway, this is for the side entrance. It's maybe have a small canopy and much more in here. Okay, this is a small canopy. So this is the main entrance, and this is the side entrance. And maybe it's it should be have some grazing elements on here. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.